Welcome to Vertigo, where creativity knows no bounds. Established over 3 decades ago in Jerusalem by partners Noah Wertheim and Sha'al, Vertigo Dance Company has grown into a global phenomenon, captivating audiences with its diverse choreography. Experience the Power of Balance program, celebrating diversity and earning accolades for its seamless integration of disabled and able-bodied dancers. Beyond dance, Vertigo is a beacon of innovation, housing the eco-art village in the serene Valley. Here, art and environmental consciousness converge for sustainable living and social change. Join us as we reshape Israel's artistic, social, and environmental landscape. Vertigo. Art, human, nature.